So, installing RAM on your PC is really simple and quick. First, shut down your computer completely and unplug all cables. Open up your PC case by removing the side panel that is usually with screwdriver. Locate the RAM slot on the motherboard, long slots near the CPU. If you're replacing old RAM, unlock and remove it by pressing the tabs on each end of the slot. Now, line up the notch to the new RAM stick with the ridge in the slot to ensure correct orientation. Firmly press on the RAM into the slot until the side tabs click into place. Do not force it. If it doesn't fit, check the alignment, and once installed, close the case, plug everything back in, and power on the PC. Enter BIOS, usually by pressing Delete or F2 during boot, to check if the new RAM is detected. If all is good, boot into Windows and verify the RAM is recognized via Task Manager. You just have to go to Task Manager and click Ctrl Shift Escape and then Performance tab. After that, you have successfully installed your new RAM. And that's it.